want to surround yourself with the people that can make your life easier. Most of the time, it's not going to be free. And I think
No.
that's a misconception. Like, even when you're starting stuff up, like, there's expense to this stuff. I've never done anything really that was free that I thought was pretty amazing. Every so often, or some, especially with AI now, every so often you
Mm.
stumble onto something and you do it, and you're like, well, that was pretty amazing for free. Like, but for the most part, any service, I mean, guys, look at yourself. Like, if you went to
I was
somebody's
thinking.
house, are you giving away free quotes, or are you not giving away free quotes? What does that look like? What does the competition do? What do you do? Like, there's this whole environment with what you do. So you have to be willing to pay people to do their job, or else they don't have a business. Like, I typically don't want to do business with people that are giving away their services for free, because they're not going to be a long run. They're not going to be around long.
No, and I've found you don't tend to get people's best stuff if you're not paying for it.
Hmm.
Even if they have the best intentions, there's just something subconsciously that you just don't get their best stuff. And in fact, if friends ask me to do legal work for them, I'm like, here's the deal: you can either pay the price, like everyone else, or it's free. And if it's free, just understand you're not going to get the best. We're going to get to you when we get to you, and that's okay because you didn't pay me anything.
I love that.